Hi, I'm Chroma Doctor from Young & Chromis. I'm going to provide the easiest installation tutorial for aquapuri Essence system. First of all, open the box and take out the packing kit and buffer. Lift up the aquapuri Essence system. In the packing kit, there are tubings, a user manual USB, a test certificate, filter replacement tools, two-way divider, a tap water adapter, and a power cable included. Peel off the packing cover. Open the front door and take out all the packing buffers. There are pre-pack, RO pack, and post-pack included in the front side. Remove all the fitting plugs at the tip of tubings. Remove all the black filter plugs as well. Connect the tubings to the filter fittings with hands. You only need to plug the tubings up to the end. Don't forget to connect the fittings on the bottom of RO pack. Open the left side cover to check the AP primary pack is well installed. On the rear side of system, remove the fitting plugs first. And connect the tubings to each port. If you want to get two types of water through one tubing, you can utilize the two-way divider as shown. Connect the power cable. Turn the power on, then click the select button. The flush will be automatically carried out, after pressing select button for 30 counts. It's all done for installation. Easy, huh?